When COVID happened, and most of you probably know this, less than 20% of the active pharmaceutical ingredients, okay, the juice that was needed to make the vaccines, to make the oral medications and stuff, were even in the United States. And we as a nation are at risk every single day.
Over the years, I've seen these over and over and over again. There's shortages of this medicine, shortage of that medicine, shortage of IVs. And the question always, why? And then COVID really revealed that answer. It's because we're relying on so many other countries to provide them to us. That just demonstrated the great need for U.S. to return to the major manufacturing of such products.
Well, the more we dove into that, we realized that at state levels, they have their own issues. They have their own hospital problems that they can't do surgeries and things like that. So we started looking at, would it be better to start having sites around the U.S. that not only could tackle the issues at the state level, but look at the federal issues as well. So we visited a site in Mississippi to see if it was compatible to onshore and bring a company that was willing to make IV bags. So we looked there, very large, 1 million square foot warehouse, but that was it. There was nothing else.
Well, I've been involved, I'm on the Callan board, and we started out looking at a facility in Mississippi, which in my estimation didn't meet the qualification. And so we remembered that we had Judson College sitting here, a 149, 50-acre facility just sitting vacant that would be an ideal site for what Wayne had in mind doing.
In Marion, we're blessed back in the early 1800s with 3 major universities. And so this was one of the richer counties in the areas during the time. And so to see it slowly digress over the years, and there needed to be a new insurgent of economic development in this community. And once Liberty came over, I think she invited Wayne Williams over to look at it, and I think it was love at first sight.
It has dormitories, it has a science building, it has gymnasium, all those things that you would want as a community for people coming from abroad.
The state of Alabama has bought Honda here, we'll buy Hyundai here, we'll buy Mercedes here, and here in Marion, Alabama, even at a smaller scale, it is going to be to the point to where it still has the same kind of impact.
Troy, I think, holds the possibility for finding new solutions to existing and old problems. And that's what excites me about working with the Atlas campus because I believe that research will be key to the future of this center.
Judson College was the first college here. This was all women's, and then there was a boys' college, which then turned into Marion Military Institute. And so we wanted to make sure that as we brought on the Atlas complex, that we were tied with them, that they would be able to have classes here.
And when this new company came aboard and they came by to visit us, that was the one area that we thought we may have a partnership possibility with, is in the health sciences arena of some kind. So we're very excited to look at how the health science expansion here will lend itself to a partnership with this new company coming in here to take over that Judson campus. How we can partner with them for education, how we can partner them with internships, something in that nature.
I think this is a win to put Marion back on the forefront, meaning that it allows the citizens to be employed. It allows our local business owners to have more foot traffic in because now people are working. So, it only takes one win. Don't nobody remember about the other 10 losses, but it only takes one win to put you back on the forefront.
You have to start somewhere to meet the challenge so that with success here, we can move to other locations and replicate that to meet the needs on a broader level.
There'll be a lot of people come here and work. There'll be a lot of people that'll take a paycheck home and feed their family and their friends and send their kids to college based on this facility. So the residual of this facility is not just making a product and putting it on the market, which would be great for the companies. It's making a difference in something that's going to affect a lot of people for a long time.